Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel again. So if your son or daughter is preparing for the CA Foundation exams, they are not just preparing for another exam. They are taking the very first step towards becoming a chartered accountant, the one of the most respected professional qualifications in India. And while every parent wants to support their child, many often ask, what can I do to help them succeed? The answer is simple. Give them the right guidance at the right time. And that's exactly why I've created this ebook. Best strategy to ace CA Foundation exams. So this may be one of the most valuable gifts you can give your child during their CA Foundation journey. CA Foundation is not difficult because the syllabus is impossible. But many students struggle because they often do not know what to study, how to study, which topics are most important, how to manage time, how to revise effectively, and how to attempt the exam paper. That's why many hardworking students lose marks simply because they lack proper strategy. This ebook is designed to solve exactly these problems. So first let's see what this ebook contains. So this ebook contains complete CA Foundation roadmap. The ebook begins by helping students to understand what CA Foundation is, which subjects are involved, how to approach preparation from the day one, and it also includes general guidance, reliable sources from where to study, key tips for effective preparation, section-wise and skill-wise weightages, and also powerful memory aids to improve retention and recall. Because success isn't just about studying hard, it's also about studying smart. And some other things covered in this ebook are question paper strategy. One of the biggest mistakes students make is preparing without understanding the exam pattern. So this ebook explains accounting and business law paper pattern, quantitative aptitude and economics paper pattern. And students will also learn time management techniques for subjective paper, MCQ solving strategy for objective papers, how to tackle confusing questions, and methods to avoid negative marking in objective papers. So these are practical exam skills that can significantly improve the scores. And there is also subject-wise guidance included in this ebook. So the heart of this ebook is detailed subject-wise guidance. So in paper 1 accounting, students will learn how to practice questions correctly, past exam trends and past paper patterns, proper answer presentation, commonly committed errors in the past exam which the students must avoid in their attempt, techniques to improve marks, and also some facts are resolved, that is frequently asked questions by the students. So accounting is often the deciding paper. Hence this section provides a clear roadmap to score well. Then paper 2 business law. Many students fear law because of its theory content. So this part of the ebook covers chapter-wise guidance based on the past exam trends, and the marking pattern of law is explained, and professional answer writing technique, how to answer application based question and how to answer direct theory question, plus some commonly committed errors in the past exam which the student must avoid. The ebook also recommends videos to improve answer presentation and writing style. Then in paper 3 quantitative aptitude, this ebook covers chapter-wise marks analysis, important tips to crack quantitative aptitude, topic-specific guidance based on the past exam trends, and also the frequently asked questions of the students. So this helps students to focus on high written areas and prepare more strategically. Then coming to paper 4 business economics, this part includes important concepts based on the past exam trends, chapter-specific guidance, a powerful 1.5 day revision strategy which has to be used one day before the exam, and it also includes exam day tips. So students know exactly how to revise before the exam. The next major feature of this ebook is ready to use study planners. So students will get sample 35-day study and revision planner and a sample 50 to 60-day study and revision planner. So these key planning principles will help the students to stay consistent, track progress, avoid last minute panic, and it helps them to complete the revision on time. And the ebook also contains an important section on do's and don'ts for CA Foundation students. So this is based on the common mistakes made by the students over the years that can help avoid costly errors during exam preparation. Plus this ebook also contains a bonus section. So success in CA Foundation is not only about knowledge, mindset also matter. That's why I've included a special bonus chapter, that is Mindset Mastery. Train your mind for exam success. This section covers the power of positive affirmation, how affirmations influence your performance, sample affirmation for CA Foundation student, and a very simple 5 to 10 minute daily routine. Because confidence and consistency often makes the difference between success and failure. Dear parents, your child may be investing hundreds of hours preparing for this exam, but the right guidance can save them from confusion, stress, and wasted efforts. So instead of learning everything through trial and error, they can start with a clear roadmap created from practical experience and past exam trends. Sometimes a small investment in guidance can create a huge impact on result. So if you would like to gift your child a complete CA Foundation preparation guide, Best Strategy to Ace CA Foundation Exams ebook is available now. It covers strategy, it covers planning, it covers revision, it covers mindset, and most importantly, it provides a structured roadmap to help students approach CA Foundation with confidence. The download link is available in the description and in the pinned comments below. The Best Strategy to Ace CA Foundation Exams ebook. This contains subject-wise guidance, weightages and study sources, revision planners, exam strategy, and mindset mastery bonus. The download link is given in the description and pinned comments below. Do check it out. Thank you for watching the video, and I wish every CA Foundation aspirant the very best for their journey.